Hi, this is David from Smart World. We're gonna talk about the new product App to Car that allow you to install any app from the Google Play Store in your car. Actually, we're installing this device and you can use it in your car. And we're gonna talk about music now. There's a lot of customers who would like to use different applications like Spotify, Amazon Music, or maybe Pandora. So we're gonna show you. We have already installed some apps in this product, and we're gonna show you how it works. And very simple. We just plug the device into the USB port of our car. Simple as that. And then we just wait a few seconds until the device is being recognized by the Carplay. So this device is going to take over the Carplay and we will be able to install any application on this device. So we're going to show you now how to play some music. Remember that also this device can be used to install Netflix, Amazon Prime to watch videos. You can use YouTube, multiple applications. So once the device is installed, it's going to tell you that for your safety, please do not watch your videos while driving. And the first thing we need to do, is go to the settings and make sure that the wireless LAN is connected. So the internet is going to take from my mobile phone. Then let's go to more apps. Let's show you Spotify. It's here already installed with my credentials, of course, and it's gonna show you my favorite music, same as you were using a tablet or your mobile phone, but on your car. So the music is gonna come through your car radio stereo, your car radio speakers. And here we go. We have Spotify in front of you. I was listening some Latin music. Of course, I have here some podcasts as well. So let's put the music that I was listening before. We just put play, and sound can be managed from your volume from your car steering wheel controls. And if you want to change songs, simply you just press here the next one. There we go. Unfortunately, to change songs we won't be able to use in this car this steering wheel, but for some cars it works, but for this particular model it doesn't. So changing music is going to be through the touch screen. Okay, so next one is going to be, we're going to stop here. We're going to go to the home. This is the menu of the App to Car device. We're just going to go to the main menu to show you more apps. I'm gonna go to the main menu. You're gonna see that the this is the screen. The main screen is gonna show you what is the song that was playing. So I can play it from here directly as well to make it easy. We're gonna go to more apps. We're gonna play some music from Amazon Music. So we're gonna run Amazon Music. It's connected with my Amazon Prime account. It will show you, we can use also Handsfree. We're not interested on that, but let's say we're gonna play some rock music. And it's easy as pressing the song we want. The same, we can use these controls to move forward the song or go to the next song. Everything through the touch screen. There we go, we have Amazon Prime working. We're just gonna stop there. We're gonna go to the main menu. The same thing, the music is gonna show there which song we were listening before, so we can play it again. I found one of my favorite radio stations. They have an app. It's called Triple M. It's a local radio station. So I installed the app of Triple M in my car radio because they have the music that I like. So I'm just gonna run this app and just gonna continue here. There we go. Just gonna play, and it's gonna play the music from my favorite radio station here.
AGL Internet is here. Combine your home internet and energy to save $15 a month off your NBN plan.
Of course, this one has ads like any other application nowadays. But yeah, it's gonna start just to show you how it is to install any apps from your Google Play Store. If you find it there, it's there to use it with the App to Car device in your car radio. Okay, just gonna stop there, and thank you very much. If you want to know more about the App to Car device to install any apps or watch videos or music on your car radio, just go to www.smartworldcompany.com. Thank you very much.